Hi everybody, it's your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man here to show you how to add a countdown timer clock to your video like this for free with no external software needed. This can be accomplished by first taking a full screen recording of this video, which is also linked in the description, and then applying the screen recording as a foreground image in your video with a green screen effect which makes the green area disappear. Sounds complicated, right? Well, it's not, and I'm going to show you how to do it in 3, 2, 1. To learn how to take a screen recording on a PC, continue watching. If you use a Mac, skip ahead to 1 minute and 45 seconds. If you already know how to take a screen recording on your device, then just skip ahead to 3 minutes and 22 seconds. To take the screen recording on a PC, first go to my channel and click on the video called Countdown Timer Clock 1 minute. Open it up to full screen, put it to the beginning, and click pause. Next, you want to click the Windows button, Alt, and R. This will start a screen recording. Click the play button, move the mouse away from the bar, and let the full screen video record for the entire 1 minute of the video length. To speed things up, I'm going to end it here, but just make sure you record the entire video. Click the stop button and the video will automatically get saved under Videos, Captures. You can take a screen recording on your Mac using the free app called QuickTime, which is probably already on your computer. Open up Launchpad and type in QuickTime. Once QuickTime is open, click File, New Screen Recording. Click Record, and then click on the text box on your page to make sure it's a full page screen recording. Open up my channel and click on the video called Countdown Timer Clock 1 minute. Set it to full screen, click play, and move your mouse away from the play button. I'm going to end it here just to save time, but you need to make sure you record the entire video. When the video is over, open QuickTime and select Stop Screen Recording. Click X and it'll ask you where you want to save the screen recording. I saved it to my desktop for simplicity. Now I'm going to show you how to add the countdown timer clock to your video. Open up that screen recording in the video editing software that you're using. In this case, I'm using iMovie. As you can see here, I want to add the countdown timer clock to my workout video. I have 25 seconds push-ups, 10 seconds floor press, 15 seconds lat pullover, 15 seconds resistance band, 20 seconds punching bad guys. I am Spider-Man after all. Import the screen recording that you took into your project. Apply the screen recording as a foreground image in your project, meaning that this video is on top of your original video. Reduce the volume of the screen recording video to 0. Now you want to trim the foreground image so that it ends at exactly 0. Press the play button and then press pause when you hit 0. Drag the ending of your clip to end at this 0 mark. Test out the foreground image to make sure it ends at 0. Now you have to drag the foreground video to match up 0 with the end of your video. Now you have to drag the beginning of the foreground image to start where you want the timer clock to start in your video. Apply the green screen effect, which will make the green area transparent. In iMovie, you can adjust the crop to make sure that no unnecessary green is shown in your video. Now simply copy-paste this video into other areas where you want the timer as well. Match the beginning and end of the overlaid timer video to match areas in your project where you want a timer clock. You can adjust the location of the foreground video to make sure that the timer clock starts on the number you want it to start on. When you're done, it'll look like this.